And I also really still want to give credit to late Hubert Ogunde, because to have kept all those things and for them to be available at this time after his death, 25 years after his death, means that we are talking or dealing with a man of very strict character, a highly disciplined mind. An undisciplined mind will not keep anything. He will use them and throw away. But Ogunde had spent time to preserve all these things himself. So his children can come now and organize them into a museum. What I'm saying in effect is that credit for this will still go back to Ogunde himself for keeping all these records, for keeping all these things. And with that, making it available for us, you and I, and the public, all Nigerians, people from all over the world to come and see. And what he has kept are the things that will tell the exact story of him to anybody.